January 2022, the Atlanta Journal-Constitution worked with the University of Georgia School of Public and International Affairs to conduct a poll. Respondents had a wide range of questions to answer, from feelings on President Joe Biden to the overall direction of the nation and abortion law. And that last one is what we'll be focusing on today. But first, we need some context. My name is Joseph, and this is the Atlanta Journal-Constitution in context. Now, our political reporter, Maya T. Prabhu, has a full story on this. It'll be the first link right below the like button if you want to check that out. Now, before we talk about Roe versus Wade in our poll, we need some background. What is Roe versus Wade? Well, in 1973, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that women could get an abortion before a fetus would be viable on its own outside of the womb. And usually that's around 24 weeks after pregnancy. Now, it's important to note that this decision came from the U.S. Supreme Court, meaning it applies at a federal level. Meaning, in theory, no state can make a law banning abortion before 24 weeks. But if Roe versus Wade would be overturned, then the decision on if, how, and when to ban abortion will be left up to the states. In our AJC poll, 68% of voters said they did not want Roe versus Wade overturned. And that is a slight dip from our 2019 poll, where 70% of voters said that the ruling should stand. Now, in 2019, Georgia passed a bill that conflicts with the current understanding of Roe versus Wade. House Bill 418, or the Heartbeat Bill, was passed by the Georgia legislature and signed into law by Governor Brian Kemp. This law essentially bans abortions after a doctor can detect a heartbeat, which is usually around 8 weeks after pregnancy. Links to our extensive coverage to that in the description down below. Now, District Judge Steve C. Jones blocked the law from going into effect, saying the Supreme Court has, quote, repeatedly and unequivocally upheld Roe versus Wade. Now, there is a distinct possibility of Roe versus Wade being overturned by the U.S. Supreme Court, and this could happen for two main reasons: a Mississippi law and the current composition of the U.S. Supreme Court. Now, the contested law, passed in 2018, banned all abortions after 15 weeks in the state of Mississippi, and because this law conflicts with the current understanding of Roe versus Wade, a federal judge blocked the law from going into effect, as reported by the Associated Press. Now, the dispute has worked its way through the system, and in November 2021, the U.S. Supreme Court agreed to hear the case. Next, the makeup of the U.S. Supreme Court plays a huge role in why there's so much attention on this case. With former President Donald Trump's 3 appointees sitting on the bench, the court now has a 6-3 conservative majority, which is more than enough to overturn or weaken Roe should they choose to do so. We will know how the court rules when their decisions are announced this summer. So now I want to pass the question off to you. Do these numbers surprise you? How do you feel about anything we discussed? I know this can be a contentious topic, so let's do our best to be respectful in the comments down below. If you want more information on anything we talked about, our methodology, the poll, or anything else, there will be links to everything right below that like button. And while you are down there leaving your carefully worded and respectful comments, go ahead and press that subscribe button if you haven't already. Press the like button if you like this video. Favorite if you really liked it. Share this video with somebody who needs the information and the context. But as always, my name is Joseph, and this is the Atlanta Journal-Constitution in context.